Galaxy S21 Ultra in 2025, is it still worth it? Hey everyone, welcome back to Techiato. Today, we're taking a look at a 2021 flagship in 2025, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. For years later, how does this phone hold up? Let's dive in. First off, the design still feels premium. With Gorilla Glass Victus on both front and back and an aluminum frame, it hasn't aged a day. The 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate still competes with today's mid-range and even some newer flagship phones. It's bright, smooth, and just a joy to use. Performance-wise, the Snapdragon 888 or Exynos 2100 in some regions might be old, but for daily tasks, it's still fast. Social media, video editing, gaming, the S21 Ultra handles it all decently, but you'll feel some heating and battery drain during heavy use compared to newer chips. The camera, still impressive. The 108MP main sensor captures detailed shots, and the 10x periscope zoom is something even some 2025 phones lack. Night photography is solid, though newer phones beat it in processing speed and AI enhancements. Battery life has degraded a bit, as expected. If the battery's been replaced, you're good. But the original one won't last a full day with heavy use anymore. The 25W charging feels slow today, especially with 65W and even 100W being common now. Software, that's where it gets tricky. If you've kept it updated, you're likely on Android 14 or 15. It's smooth, but no new features from Android 16 and beyond. Still, Samsung's One UI keeps the experience polished. Is it worth buying in 2025? For under $300 or as a backup phone, yes, as a main phone. Only if you don't mind outdated charging and missing newer software features. But design, screen, and camera, still elite. Thanks for watching.